Hello class 10. Now I will be explaining you experiment number 6 again with a human model of human heart. So you have to identify, in case it is given during the examination, you have to identify, study the given model as well as you have to comment on it. Now this is model of human heart. You all know that human heart is a pumping organ. Externally, you can see there is pulmonary vein, there is aorta, these are pulmonary vein, and inferior and superior vena cava, they enter into the chambers of human heart. When we see internally there are 4 chambers in the human heart. If you see this is left side of the human heart and this is right side of human heart. There are 2 upper chambers, these are called auricles, and 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. These auricles are called blood receiving chambers and ventricles are called blood distributing chambers. What happens in this right auricle, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, it will be bringing deoxygenated blood and will enter into right atrium. This blood, deoxygenated blood, enters into lower chamber, that is called a right ventricle, and for this there are tricuspid valve inside. Tricuspid valve because they have 3 flaps in them. Once the blood has entered into lower chamber, the valve will automatically close so that there is no backflow of blood into the previous chamber. From here, the blood will move into pulmonary artery. So this is deoxygenated blood moving into pulmonary artery and it will be carried to the lungs for oxygenation. After getting oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, pulmonary vein will enter into left atrium. This is oxygenated blood which will enter into left atrium. From left atrium, this oxygenated blood will enter or pump into left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Bicuspid because they have 2 flaps. Similarly, when the blood is moved into lower chamber, then this valve, bicuspid valve, will automatically close so that this blood cannot move backward. Then this oxygenated blood will be pumped to all parts of the body through aorta. So 2 lower chambers are blood distributing chamber. From here the blood will be distributed to pulmonary artery and to the lungs for oxygenation, and from this left chamber of the heart, that is left ventricle, it will be pumped to all parts of the body through aorta.